This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It's Tuesday the 8th of May. We've seen a little bit of sell-off in the markets over the last few sessions, but there was a bit of a rebound in the US. The FTSE market was closed on Monday due to a bank holiday, so there's no change there. It's still showing its short-term bearish reversal. We have a look at the DAX. The DAX was up 8 points, a very mild 8 points, or 0.12%. You can see it tested some new lows there. And the CAC 40, the French leading market index, it was up 52 points, or 1.6%. So after all the turmoil or the reaction globally to the French elections, there's been a bit of a positive spike there. That could form a double bottom, but we still have this short-term resistance at 3280 to be concerned about. In the US, we saw the Dow up, correction down slightly, down 29 points, or 0.2%. It's now trading within this wider range. The NASDAQ index was actually up 1.4 points, or 0.05%, barely unchanged. It did test some new medium-term lows and is in a downwards trend. On the S&P 500, we're holding support. There was a mild upwards movement there, 0.48 of a point, or 0.04%, so virtually unchanged there. We're still in a trading range at the top of this trend as well. The VIX index was actually down 0.22 points, or 1.15%, just showing that the fear did come out of the markets a little bit there. And a little bit closer to home, we had a pretty hefty downwards day on the ASX 200. It was down 96 points, closing at 4301. It's now testing its 50-period moving average, but that is a short-term retracement in an upwards trend at the moment. We have the SPY up 34 points right now. We can see that the difference between the SPY and the ASX 200. It's up 34 points, and showing that if we can hold the buyers today, there may be a short-term bullish reversal point. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. We look forward to updating you again tomorrow.